Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to understand today contest problem is maximum 69 number. Okay, max 69 number. Question saying that you are given a positive integer nums and consisting only 6 and 9 numbers in as a digit in this number. Okay, we have to return the maximum number you can get by chance at most one digit 6 and 9, and 9 becomes 6, right? As you can see, let's understand how to implement this problem. So very first, understand what you have given. Okay, you have given nums. Okay, and what the question is saying, the question problem is you are given a positive integers, right, in which we have only two digits. We have given 6 and 9, right? And you are allowed to flip this 6 and 9 most one digit, right? Let's suppose if if we represent a and b. Okay, so a 6 can become or be 9, and a 9, or you can say b, can become 6. Understand? So a single 6 or a single 9, it can flip to its respective flip. Okay, so what is our goal? Our goal is to make the largest possible number after this flip, but the flip is allowed to do the flip at most one digit, either digit this or either digit this, means you have to flip 6 or 9, one digit. Okay, so what is our key insight to flip the max value, right? That we should understand. And if there is any 6 flip, the most 1 to 9, right? And if there is no 6 flips, don't do anything. Okay, for example, can we take this example? Okay, so let's take this example. Let's example we have is 9. Sorry, what we have 9, we have 6, we have 9 6 9 6. So what is the answer, right? Very first, if we can scan from left to right, what is the index we have? Index we have is 0 1 2 and 3. These are the indexes we have. So what are the digits at here? We have 9, we have 6, we have 9, we have 6, we have, correct? All these digits have. So for the very first, what is the very first 9? The very first 9 is this. Okay, so if this first, right, uh let's suppose not this one. Let's suppose, as per the understanding here we have given, let's suppose 6, right? So this first 6, we got the first 6, right, where at index 1. If we flip it into 9, why we will flip this on the 9, you will understand, don't worry. So after this flip, what will happen? It become 9, and this is 9, right? So this we have marked now as a 9, as here, correct? And is 9 6 become what? 9 6. Okay, so if you observe this become 9 9, and this become 9 6, means 9996. Okay, this is the max result. If we have taken this 9, right, the very first 9, and if we have make it in 6, so this become what? 696. So this will become lower value, right? We have to maximize. So we should not flip the very first digit. We should flip this digit. So this is the problem we have given, and I hope you understand. Similarly, if you observe this one, this is the 6 we are finding at the last, which is the very first one. So if we convert it, it will become 4 times 9s, right? 9999. Okay, I hope you understand. This is a very easy problem. How we are going to implement, that we will understand. So very first, if we observe, there is a one pointer movement concept that we will move one by one, right? And we will check the each digit. If the digit at I is 0, let's suppose this is your nothing but your I. Okay, so I at 0, if the digit is 9, right, we'll skip it, we'll not do anything, right, because this is the big value. That is why we have a skip it, and we have created the big value, right? So we'll skip it. If next digit will come, right, if it is digit is 6, right, we'll flip it to 9. Otherwise, if it is 9, we'll not do anything. If you observe this one, this case, what we have, 9 9 9 6. So the very first digit is 9, we'll skip it. Very second is 9, skip it. Then 9 is there, skip it. 6 is there, flip it, right? Like that we will go and we'll do that. Okay, why? Because if you are getting the, if you are going from right to left, right, if you are observing 9, just skip it, skip it, skip it. Whenever you find 6, just flip it. Okay, like that we have seen, skip it, flip it, skip it, right? Only one time you have to do. So you cannot do anything for this now, right? You can say like that we will do. I hope you understand. This is the approach we will do that. Okay, so let me show you how I have implemented. Okay, so whenever we run from I0 to the last digit length, right, means very first we have converted this value. What you need to do, whatever the number you are getting, right, you have to convert into the character, into string, right? To do that, you have to do what? A string dot value of. This will convert into string. Now string have a method to char array in which we can convert into the character array. That you will do, right? Then from 0 to the last length you will get all the character you will get. Means if digit is coming 6, you convert it and break, don't do anything, right? Otherwise you skip it, you don't do anything. That we will be doing here. And finally you will convert it into integer, right? Integer dot parse int, and this is your digit. So through the digit new string, it will get a new object of the string, and you will convert into the integer, and you will return it as a, because we have to return into integer. So that's all I have. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.